So guys, many of you were messaging me on Instagram personally that your YouTube channel is not growing. So I told you to use Vidiq, and after a month you replied me again that still your YouTube channels are not growing. So then I checked your YouTube channels and I found out that you are not using Vidiq in the right way. So one of the people who messaged me on Instagram had almost 200 videos on his channel but only 15 subscribers even after using Vidiq. This is because that you don't know how to use Vidiq in the right way, and if you know how to use Vidiq in the right way, I promise that your channel will grow faster than bamboo. So guys, if you are among one of those people, this course is for you guys. So before getting into the video, to tell you an interesting fact because of which your videos don't rank on the top. So did you know that YouTube is the world's second largest search engine? So due to this only, when you upload a YouTube video, I think that it just disappears like this. And this is because of due to less SEO score. So guys, in this video I'll give you an introduction to the Vidiq Mastery Course. So in this video I will tell you guys what is Vidiq and where can you find videos of the Vidiq Mastery Course. So watch this video till the end, because if you skip the video then you will not know where can you find the videos of the Vidiq Mastery Course. So watch this video till the end. But before starting the video, my name is Aryan and I welcome you all to my YouTube channel Aryan Tech Square. And guys, if you want to see informative videos and videos related to technology, please start off by subscribing to my YouTube channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. So further wasting more time, let's begin the video. So guys, first let me tell you what is Vidiq. So Vidiq is basically an SEO tool which helps in increasing your SEO score. So guys, if your SEO score is high, that means your videos will rank on the top. But if your SEO score is not good, then your videos will never rank on the top. So Vidiq will help in improve your SEO score, but if you know to use Vidiq in the right way. And don't worry about that, this course will help you with that. So guys, now let me tell you where can you find the videos of the Vidiq Mastery Course. So first you have to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and if you subscribe to my YouTube channel only, you will be part of the course. Then search for my YouTube channel and open my YouTube channel page, and from there go to playlist tabs, and there you can see a playlist called Vidiq Mastery Course for free. And if you click on that playlist, you can see videos of the Vidiq Mastery Course, and I'll upload videos one by one on this playlist. So now I think when you click on this playlist, you can see this introductory video only, not any other videos, but I'll upload videos one by one. So please wait until I upload videos one by one. I will teach you how to use Vidiq free version, not premium version, and I think that you can just start off with the free version for now, and you can upgrade it to the premium version when your channel grows big. So guys, if you want to really grow your YouTube channel fast, you have to see each and every videos of the Mastery Course. But first, if you want to see all videos, you have to subscribe to my YouTube channel. So join fast and grow your YouTube channel. So see you in the Vidiq Mastery Course. Till then, bye bye.